What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Sperax, also known as SPAR guys, which has dropped a little bit, 14% down in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just about 1 cent guys. So in my previous update where it was pumping like crazy over the last few days, I did warn you guys, do expect it to take a little bit of a dip over the coming hours and days, and that is exactly what's happening right now. So we're going to be going through what is next for Sperax. Is it going to crash down further? Is it going to pump back up, potentially heading towards the 2 cents target towards the end of this week and next week as well? Or is it going to drop below the 1 cent target? So we are also going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, looking at, is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it before it drops down further? And also covering both short-term and long-term investors, looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2024, what is expected from Sperax. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Sperax, which is here in purple at 0.007 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at over 1 cent, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So what we're going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Sperax over the next 12 to 14 hours. So by midday tomorrow to tomorrow afternoon, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. But again, that does not mean that it's going to start pumping up in value right now. It is likely to drop down a little bit further down over the coming hours, potentially down to about 0.009 cents or below over the next couple of hours, before it slowly starts to gain value just above the 1 cent target in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. So it should be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment, but it is likely to go through quite a wave. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? The blue and the orange line are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So according to the graph, an overall increase in value is what is expected. However, from the analysis and predictions that I have done and the way that it has been performing, the crypto is still overvalued right now, so I'm expecting it to dip down a little bit further over the coming week. So early to mid next week, I'm expecting Sperax to be trading around 0.007 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. Reason for that is overvalued and has been overvalued for the last few days after the major pump that's taken place, and right now it is slowly starting to drop down in value, and this is likely to carry on over the coming days as well. So essentially trading around 0.007 cents is where I'm expecting Sperax to be trading at by mid next week. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks now, we're looking a little bit too steep guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction. Again, reason for that is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last couple of days. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the coming weeks. However, that is not the case. So by mid to late March and early April, even though yes, I'm expecting Sperax to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. I'm expecting it to go for a price correction over the coming week or two, dropping down to about half a cent, so 0.005 cents over the next 2 to 3 weeks before it slowly starts to gain value again in late February, March and early April as well. It should be hovering around 0.015 cents in value is where I'm expecting Sperax to be heading towards by early April. So this is my take on this crypto. Let's get rid of the MACD indicator, and once again the Fibonacci scale is a little bit useless when it comes to Sperax because we are literally trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and to hit the green zone we need to hit around just about 6 cents in value, which I'm not expecting the crypto to hit anytime soon, at least not for the next 12 to 15 months. So at the moment, for now, we are going to be stuck in the red zone, but what matters is as long as we can slowly and steadily start to gain value heading upwards, we should be good to go. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down over 50% in the last 24 hours, making it $13 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge drop in trading. Reason for that is the major drop that's taken place very early this morning and throughout the day as well. Most people have just held back, not investing into it or not selling it, because as you guys can see, over the last 7 days it has gone up 85%. That is after the dip that's taken place over the last 24 hours. So overall, without the dip, it would have been up at least about 130 to 140%, which makes sense as to why it's gained a lot of attraction from the crypto market, and right now is slowly starting to step back down. So if you guys want to keep updated on a regular basis on the crypto market other than my YouTube channel, what you guys can do is click in the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this is for a limited time only and for a limited number of members as well. So what happens once you sign up is you get put into 2 group chats, guys. The first one is a general chat where I'll be showing you guys regular updates on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, mainly on Bitcoin because that's what drives the market in a bullish or bearish direction. And you guys can also ask me questions on other cryptos that you guys want me to do predictions and analysis on as well. Again, don't worry about the figures here. This is a screenshot from nearly 2 years ago, and I'll show you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. However, I am a long-term trader, meaning I don't buy and sell on a regular basis, but when I do, it is a very good entry and exit price as well. So yeah, if you guys are interested, link is again in the description box down below. And now back to Sperax. So what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below how high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.